Guys, in this video we will speak how to fix error code 7 error arena trashed on Windows 11 and the error message is the storage control blocks were destroyed. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute first these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands in command prompt windows one by one. Don't forget to press enter on each entry. Thereafter execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. Not go to the next fixes, open settings, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left sidebar, go to Windows privacy and security. From the right side, choose Windows security and here click on virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here go to scroll down and click on scan options, and here you will find four options. Choose full scan and finally click on scan now and let the window complete the scanning process. It will scan your system for any malware or antivirus, and after that check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button again and here choose run. You may press Windows key plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box and here type msconfig msconfig and click on OK. It will open system configuration windows. Clean boot your system. Go to services from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all. And finally, thereafter, go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and click on open task manager. Manually disable all the startup apps enabled in your system. Look for any startup apps enabled in your system. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Right click on enabled startup apps and choose disabled. Apply this process for all the enabled startup apps in your system, and after that close the task manager window and click on apply and OK to save the changes. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on the start button and choose settings, and here from the left side scroll down and click on Windows Update. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error appear. If any pending action required under Windows Update, otherwise check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system.